There was too much going on today to fit it in one 15-minute video, so here's part two. We went back to the Notre Dame, and after the Western Wall, we had a group picture taken. Look at this good-looking group. Here we took off through the streets of Jerusalem to head to our restaurant, the Rossini's restaurant, for lunch. I stopped at the Latin Patriarchate to explain he's like the Archbishop of Jerusalem, Jordan, island of Cyprus, and Palestine. And here we are for lunch. That's the Latin Patriarch. Right there you can see the Vatican flag. And we just walked down past there, and I brought everybody to one of our favorite, if not our favorite, restaurants here in Jerusalem. It's our little hideaway. He's got a great menu, Rossini's. So here I brought the group here for lunch. It's a wonderful place. And there's more seats upstairs there. We've got a great wine list. Oh, no. The overflow crowd up here.
It's the upper room.
It's the upper room. Oh, I like that. Upper room.
I saw you. Yeah, I saw you.
A small restaurant.
Say it again for the video.
Evidence.
Good one.
This is Khalil. He's the owner of the restaurant and our favorite place to eat here.
Enjoy. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Cleo.
It's after lunch and we're taking people down to the Holy Sepulchre, see right there? To go in and touch the tomb. So here we go. Look at our group coming along here behind us.
الله اعلم قادر يجيب على ريال مدريد طيب
Alemão tem muito, Brasil tem pouco. Você, quanto tempo você viveu?
Carrot juice, anyone?
الان ما ينام
Go slow, Janet. I love rubbing it in. Yes.
شبيب اقول له تومي المره لما يقول لي حياك الله بس اجيب لك حبه شوكولاته.
How long you staying here?
Isn't it? You're not in Hebrew.
When you do shopping free. She's making big commission of you.
Okay, we're back at the Holy Sepulchre. Here's the tomb. We're behind it now, and we got everybody here in a line, and they're going to be going in to see the tomb. We brought our group over at lunchtime. There's fewer people, but they're going to be coming now. We're at the front of the line, and they'll be going here 4 by 4 into the tomb to see the place where Jesus was buried and raised from the dead. Right in there. There's the top of the Notre Dame Center, and as you can see, the Vatican flag flying. We're looking down from the 4th floor, the very top of the roof, and there's the Holy Sepulchre right there. I'm going to zoom in. Those are the domes of the Holy Sepulchre. That is the Mount of Olives, and we're sitting here on the rooftop of Jerusalem having our dinner. I'll take you in and show you. Here's our folks with their wine already getting started with the salads, different salads. And we're looking out over the city of Jerusalem.
Walk down to
Lots of wine is coming. There's a Gargonzola cheese salad, and the Greek salad, and the Caesar salad. Everybody is settling in for a nice dinner too tonight, looking out over the city of Jerusalem. Caesar salad, Greek salad, garden salad. We also have the Gargonzola cheese salad. All right, Father, the first video didn't come out right, so what do you think of this all?
4th floor of the Notre Dame in Jerusalem. Great food. Thank you, Steve.
Good. There's the Gargonzola cheese salad. Okay.
Oh, was that what that is?
I'm glad you enjoyed the meal. He always takes good care of us. He's now the head chef of the place. Thank you, Sammy. Well, there's all of our folks enjoying a wonderful meal on the rooftop of Jerusalem here at the Notre Dame Center. And it's time now to say goodnight to Jerusalem. Good night, Notre Dame. Good night, Jerusalem. That's what Jerusalem looks like at night. The Mount of Olives, domes of the Holy Sepulchre, the Golden Mosque. It's not my favorite. Damascus Gate is right down there. I'll zoom in a little bit. Down there is the Damascus Gate. Right over in that area is the Church of St. Stephen, where he was martyred and buried originally. So, good night, Jerusalem. We'll see you in the morning.